Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thanks for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I make this my passion twist and how I install it as well. Yes guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Without wasting much of your time, keep on watching. Hey. So firstly, what I'm doing is just trying to cut this hair into two. I'm using the three color anyways. I'm using this color and the other color and the color 8. I'm going to be mixing all the three colors together. Yes, and the color 8, I'm going to be using half of that one, making it 1 packet and a half. So yeah, that is what I'll be using. So I'm just trying to feather the tips out for me to have the nice tips I want. Yeah, that is what I'm doing guys. So after finishing feathering the tips out, I'll just go ahead and brush the hair, the three colors. So I finished brushing the three colors, so I will just take my straw and yeah, I started taking it the desired size I want. I'm taking it big because I want the stick to be very big. So I will just grab my straw and place my hair on it like so. Yes guys, and start twisting. Just turn and twist, turn and twist, turn and twist. Yeah, after twisting a bit, you wait and secure the edge. Yes, like so, and secure the edge so that it will not loose. You secure it with a rubber band. I'm going to be securing it with a rubber band. Yes guys, that is what I'll be doing. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going ahead and do all the packs like that. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and do all the packs like that guys. That is what I'll be doing. Yeah. Yes guys, after finishing twisting all the colors, so the colors came out like this. They are so beautiful guys, I love them. And yeah, after finishing twisting it, I'll just go ahead and put them in a plastic bowl, and I've already boiled my water. It's right in front of me, and And yeah, that is what I'll be doing. I'll just go ahead and pour the boiled water on it. Yes guys, that's what I'll be doing. And make sure all the hot water touches the hair, you know. Yeah. And after pouring the water, I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes inside the boiled water. And yeah, before removing it from the hot water. Yes guys, that is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I'm just I'll go ahead and remove them. I put them in the towel. Yeah, and yeah, I'll leave it overnight to dry it up. Yes guys, I'm just going to leave it overnight to dry it up, for the water to dry out of the hair. Yes guys, that is what I will be doing. So yeah, this is the next morning. Actually, I've removed almost all the hair from the straw, so I'm just going to show you how I remove them from the straw, guys. Yes, just firstly you remove the rubber band, and yeah, just drop the straw out of the hair and lose the coils. Yeah, that is it guys. That is it for this hair. Yeah, so that is it. After removing the hair from the straw and just separate the coils, this is how it will look at the end. Yes guys, so I'm just moving on to the next step to install it on my head. As you can see, I've already used a small rubber band to pack my hair. Just pack it the way I want it, not to be too full. So I have my crochet pin, so I'll just go ahead and put it in my head like so, in the middle of the hair. Just put the pin in and take one of the hair like so guys, and place it in the crochet and close it and draw it in between the middle of the hair. I'll divide the hair into two, separate the hair into two for it to be easier to twist with the coils. That's what I'm doing guys. After finishing twisting it, it will look like this, as you can see it. Yes guys, so I'll just go ahead and twist all like so. That is twist all my hair like so until when I'm finished with the whole of my hair, guys. Yeah. Yes guys, after finishing installing this my passion twist, yeah, this is the final result guys. So it's time to just trim off the unwanted tips. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and trim it a little bit, not too much. So I'll just be trimming it. Yeah, I'll just trim it, and after, yeah, that is it for this hair guys. And yeah, that is all for this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and yeah, until I come your way next time guys, stay blessed and bye bye. Guys, after finishing installing the passion twist on my hair, this is how it looks. I like the result I'm seeing. I'm really in love with this hair. It's not heavy, it's very light. Really, I really love this hair. So it's time to trim off the tips. So I'm just going to trim it a bit, trim it a little bit, not too much, just to cut off the one the unwanted, yeah. So that is it guys, that is it for this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, share my video, comment. Yeah guys, until I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye.